Losing streaks. Every trader has faced them. Some pretend they haven't, but deep down, everyone knows the feeling. That moment when your confidence starts to shake, when every trade feels like another step in the wrong direction. You start questioning yourself, your strategy, your skills, even your future in trading. It's one of the hardest moments a trader can experience, not because of the money lost, but because of what it does to your mind. You feel powerless, anxious, and desperate to make it back. But the truth is, how you handle a losing streak defines the kind of trader you'll become. When you're in a losing streak, your brain automatically switches into survival mode. You start forcing trades, increasing risk, and trying to recover fast. You tell yourself, just one good trade and I'll be back. But that mindset is dangerous. It's what turns a small loss into a total disaster. The first rule of surviving a losing streak is simple. Stop trying to fight the market. The market isn't your enemy, and it's not punishing you. Sometimes it's just not your season. Even the best traders in the world go through red weeks, sometimes red months. The difference is they don't lose their head when it happens. They stay calm, and they protect their mindset before they protect their money. Staying calm doesn't mean pretending you're not frustrated. It means accepting what's happening without letting emotions take over. Take a break, step away from the charts, go for a walk, breathe, or even take a few days off. The market isn't going anywhere, but your mental clarity can disappear if you don't reset. When you come back, review your trades with honesty, not emotion. Look for patterns. Are you breaking your rules? Are you trading when you're tired or distracted? Are you chasing losses instead of waiting for your setup? Most losing streaks don't come from bad strategies. They come from bad states of mind. You can't think clearly when your emotions are in control. That's why the most successful traders are not the smartest, but the most emotionally balanced. They understand that losing is part of the game. They've trained their minds to see losses not as failure, but as feedback. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this streak? Maybe the market conditions changed. Maybe your strategy needs adjustment. Or maybe you just need rest. Whatever it is, treat it as data, not defeat. The more emotionally detached you are from a single trade, the stronger you become as a trader. A losing streak feels personal, but it's not. The market doesn't care who you are or how badly you need a win. That's why patience is your greatest strength. When things go wrong, slow down instead of speeding up. Reduce your lot size. Trade smaller. Focus on execution, not recovery. Think of it this way. Your goal isn't to win back your losses quickly. It's to rebuild your confidence slowly. Confidence doesn't return by making a big trade. It returns when you start trusting your process again. And trust comes from discipline. The more disciplined you are during bad times, the faster you recover. Every time you follow your plan despite the fear, you prove to yourself that you're in control. That's how professionals handle drawdowns. They protect their mindset first and their capital second. When you're emotional, every loss feels like a personal attack. But when you're calm, you see losses as part of the long-term game. Trading isn't about being right all the time. It's about managing yourself when things go wrong. The ones who survive this business aren't the ones who never lose. They're the ones who never lose control. Take a moment and remember why you started trading in the first place. You wanted freedom, independence, or control over your life. Don't let a few bad trades take that away from you. A losing streak doesn't mean you're a bad trader. It means you're human. Every pro you look up to has been exactly where you are right now. The difference is they didn't quit and they didn't panic. They learned, they adapted, and they came back sharper. If you're going through a rough patch, this is your opportunity to build mental strength. You don't grow during your winning streaks. You grow during your losses. This is where you learn emotional balance, patience, and self-awareness. These are the traits that turn average traders into consistent ones. The best thing you can do after a losing streak is to simplify. Go back to the basics. Focus on one strategy. Use one setup. Risk small. Be consistent. You don't need 100 indicators. You just need a calm mind. Simplicity brings clarity, and clarity brings confidence. Don't forget to take care of yourself outside trading. Sleep well, eat right, exercise, and spend time with people who make you feel grounded. Trading from a tired or stressed state will only make things worse. The calmer your life is outside the market, the calmer your decisions will be inside it. Every trader has a breaking point, but those who push through it become stronger than ever. You're not defined by how you trade when things are good, you're defined by how you act when everything goes wrong. So stay patient, stay grounded. Let your losses teach you, not control you. Because the truth is, every losing streak ends. The question is, will you be ready when it does? You'll know you've grown as a trader when a red day doesn't shake you anymore. When you can look at a losing streak and still feel calm. That's when you've mastered not just the charts, but yourself. So take a deep breath, reset your mind. The market will always test your emotions, but it can never break your discipline unless you let it. Stay calm, stay focused, and remember, consistency isn't built in winning seasons. It's built in the losses you learn to overcome.